Hey there, welcome to Get a Flight. So you've got a GoPro and you're interested in using a teleprompter. Let me show you how to do it. So in order to turn your GoPro into a camera that can use a teleprompter, you're going to need two different pieces of gear. First, you're going to need a cage for the GoPro, one that's got threaded lens adapters. This one is the Ulanzi G9-5. It's all aluminum, pretty darn stout, and I really like it. The second is going to be the Padcaster Parrot teleprompter. And so the way you put this together is you pop the GoPro into the G9-5 from Ulanzi, slide the case down, put your battery and your SD card in, close the side door. Now if you want to use an external microphone like a shotgun microphone or a wireless microphone, go ahead and grab the 3.5mm adapter for the GoPro. If you're going to record it externally and then sync it up in post-production and you're not going to use any of the audio from the camera itself, then you can just skip having the adapter. But I really like the adapter versus the media mod. One, because then I can use external cages. This is far more protective than the media mod. But two, I don't have to take the whole thing out to get at my battery and my SD card, whereas with the media mod you have to take the whole entire contraption apart. Total side note, but one thing I don't like about the media mod. So I put the SD card in, put the battery card in, plug in the 3.5mm. Now here's where we combine the two things. The Padcaster Pro uses a smartphone and an app as a teleprompter. And the way it works is it comes with all these different lens adapter ring sizes. And for the GoPro Ulanzi cage, you need a 52mm. You're gonna find that ring and you're just gonna thread it onto the front of the GoPro. These are all aluminum as well, so this whole setup is pretty darn stout. I like putting my GoPros onto Arca Swiss mounts because then I can just put them on any tripod I have. But it's super simple. We're just gonna pull off the dust cover on the back, slide out the ring that I used to hold the dust cover in, and it literally just slides over the ring that we have now attached to the GoPro. And so now this whole thing is completely attached. It's got a dust cover on the front to protect the glass and the reflective material. But then there's a little lever down here, a little tray, spring loaded. You pull it down, you put your cell phone in there. And now if you're gonna add a microphone to the camera setup itself, you're gonna do that after you have the Padcaster Parrot teleprompter on there, because if you've got a shotgun mic, you're not gonna be able to slide it down over the top. Then you're just gonna go into the Parrot teleprompter app, load your script, set your settings. You might need to adjust the margins in the settings. My iPhone 12 Pro Max is too wide at 0 margins. The words come too far out, so I adjust the margins so it fits into this screen. And now with this setup, I've got a mobile, super compact teleprompter that I can use with a GoPro. So this is a super quick video just showing you how you can use a teleprompter with a GoPro in a way that is easy and modular, and it's not hobbling two things together. You know, this is a setup that is designed to do exactly that. You've got your teleprompter here with the phone, the reflective lens. It goes onto the GoPro. The whole thing is nice and sturdy. And so if you're looking to use a teleprompter with your GoPro, definitely grab the Ulanzi G9-5 with the threaded lens rings. Then you can add on the Padcaster Parrot teleprompter, put in your phone, and record away. If you gained some value from this video, go ahead and show me some appreciation down below. If you want to find links to any of these products to set up your own GoPro teleprompter setup, I will put those in the description. If you're interested in content creation, DIY projects, or RV life, check out the rest of the things we're doing at Get a Flight. Until next time, I'm Joshua. You have been watching Get a Flight. Take care and happy trails.